Hi students, this is maths video for grade 3. In last class we have seen place value and then what? Lesson 2 fun with numbers. Remaining part now we are going to see. See jumping animals. Look at the page 20. Jumping animals. See Gabru, Bunny and Taru. Who are they? Gabru, Bunny and Taru. See Gabru, Bunny and Taru are jumping all the way. Gabru jumps on every 7th box. See, Gabru jumps on every 7th box. But Bunny on every 5th box. Bunny on every 5th box. Taru on every 4th box. See, first one Gabru jumps on every 7th box. Second one Bunny on every 5th box. Taru also on every 4th box. See Gabru starting jumping from number 90. See Gabru starts jumping from 90. Gabru jumps on every 7th box. In next step he reached 97. In next jump he reached 97. See Bunny starts jumping from 99. Bunny starts jumping from 99. Bunny on every 5th box. So 99 plus 5. In next jump he reached 104. And next Taru starts jumping from number 106. Taru on every 4th box. In next step he reached 110. Now I am going to explain on the board. You just look at the board. See bunnies jump. Bunnies jump on every 5th box. So what is the starting point of bunnies? 99. 99 plus 5, that is equal to 104. Like that I write up to 174. And then Tarus jump on every 4th box. On every 4th box. The starting point is 106. 106 plus 4, 110. 106 plus 4 is equal to 110. Like that I have written up to 174. See, Gabrus jump on every 7th box. What is the starting point of Gabrus? 90. 90 plus 7, we will get 97. Like that I write up to 174. Now, look at the question. Find out. First question. Bunny's 10th jump is on which number? What is the starting point of Bunny? 99. 99 plus 10th jump. So we have to write 10. Bunny jumps on every 5th box. So 10 into 5. 10 5s are 50. 99 plus 50, that is equal to 149. See students, look at here. See, in first jump he goes to 104. First jump, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9 and then 10th jump. In 10th jump he reached 149. That is only I have written here. See, Taru's 10th jump is on which number? What is the starting point of Taru's? 106 plus, like that same method, 10 into 4. So, 106 plus 40. 106 plus 40. We will get 146. Look at here. See, in first jump he reached 110. Second, third, fourth, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In 10th jump he reached 146. See, here also we get the same answer. Gabru's 10th jump will be on which number? What is the starting point of Gabru? 90. 10th jump means we want to write 10 into, see, Gabru jump on every 7th month. So we have to write 7 here. 10 sevens are 70. 90 plus 70, we will get 160. Okay, look at here. In first jump he reached 97. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and then 10th jump he reached 160. That is only I have written here. In fourth jump, Gabru and Bunny both jump on numbers 104 and dash dash. See, look at here. Gabru and Bunny. What is the same number? See here 104, 104. And look at, see here 139. Here also 139. At last here 174 the same. Here also 174 same. So here we have to write 139 and 174. Next one, find out. Taru and Bunny jumps on numbers. What are the numbers? They both have jump on same. See, look at here. Here Bunny's jump, this one is Taru. Which are the numbers are same? See 140, here also 140. And then 134, here also 134. And then look at here 154, here also 154. At last 174, here also 174. So what are the numbers? 114, 134, 154. At last 174. Look at here 114, 134, 154, 174. And then second question, is there any number where all three of them jump? See, is there any number where all three of them jump? Yes, the three of them jump on the same number. Look at the last number of each animal. See, Bunny also jump on 174. Taru also jump on 174. At last, Gabru also jump on 174. See, next question. Guess who will finish in the least jump dash in how many jumps? See, look at here. Guess who will finish in the least jump. Least jump means within the short time, otherwise small amount we have to tell. Least means short time, otherwise small amount. See, everyone reached 174, 174. But Gabru, look at here, Gabru, he reached how many steps? First one, this 90, starting point is 90. 90 plus 7. In first jump, he reached 97. First jump, second jump, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Gabru reached in 174 in 12 jumps. Okay. See here, Taru reached. See, first jump, second, third, fourth, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. That is more than 12. So who finished in least? That is Gabru. Who finished least? That is Gabru. So here you write Gabru's. And then how many jumps? 12 jumps. Thank you, students. We will see in next class.
Look at the next page. Class jump. Class jump. See, jump 2 steps forward
and jump 2 steps backward. See, forward means we want to add. Forward means add. Backward means minus. Backward means minus. See, forward means it will go like this way. Backward means it goes backside. That means backward. So, forward means we want to plus. Backward means we want to subtract. First number 104. 104 plus 2, 106. 106 plus 2, 108. 108 plus 2, 110. See next, 110 plus 2, 112. 112 plus 2, 114. 114 plus 2, 116. See, in the last digit, it is in a 2 table. See, 4, 6, 8, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. In last digit of 2 tables also like that only. 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Again, it starts from 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. That are called even numbers. Next, jump 2 steps backward. Backward means what? Subtract. So, 262 minus 262 minus 2, we will get 260. Next, 260 minus 2, 258. 258 minus 2, 256. 256 minus 2, 254. 254 minus 2, 252. 252 minus 2, 250. See, it is the reverse of the 2 table. That means 0, 8, 6, 4, 2. See, forward means 2, 4, 6, 8. Last digit end with 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Forward means. Backward means that is reverse. First 0 will come, next 8, next 6 and next 4, at last 2. See, jump 10 step forward. Forward means same addition. We want to add plus 10. 110 plus 2, 10, 120. 120 plus 10, 130. 130 plus 10, 140. Next, 150. Next, 160. And then 170. Forward means you simply add that number, add the number 10 with that number. Jump 10 steps backward. 10 steps backward means you subtract the 10 from this number. 200 and minus 10, we will get 190. 190 minus 10, 180. Next, 180 minus 10, 170. 170 minus 10, 160. Next, 150 and then 140. See, continue the pattern. First, look at the number. You have to find the difference. 550, 560. If you find out the difference between two numbers, you will get easily identify the which pattern is this. See, 560 minus 510. 0, 6 minus 5, 1, 5 minus 5, 0. So, it is a jump 10 steps forward. That is a forward pattern. So, 560, 570, next number 580, 590, 600 and then 610. Next, 910, 920, 930. It is also the same pattern, forward pattern. So, forward 10 step forward pattern. So, 940, 950, 960, 970, 980. Next, 209 and then 207. Here also we want to find out the difference. 209 minus 207. So, 9 minus 7, 2, 0 minus 0, 0, 2 minus 2, 0. So, this is 2 steps backward pattern. So 209, next 207, next 205, here 203, 201, next 199 and then 197. See 401, 402, 403. Next number 3 after 4. 404, 405, 406, 407. Look at the next page. Lazy Gracie shop. Lazy Gracie shop. This is in the jungle shop. Lazy Gracie gives things only in packets of tens, hundreds and loose items. Here loose items represent that ones value. 100 means hundreds value, tens already. In place value we will see no ones, tens, 100 like that only. Ones, tens, 100. See, find out how many packets of 10, hundreds and loose item each animal will take. Fill in the blanks. See, this is the Lazy Gracie shop. She will give only in packets of tens, hundreds and loose item. See, rabbit, it will take 143. How many packets? See, 3 represents ones value, 4 represents tens value and 1 represents hundreds value. So, 1 hundreds, 4 tens, 3 loose items. Here, next 210. So, in loose item, there is no. In tens place, only 1 packet. Only 1 packet. In 200 place, 2 packet. 2 packet. Next, 242. In ones value, 2 carrot. Loose item is 2 carrot. And then, in place value 4, how many packets? 4 packets. So, you have to draw 4 packets. Does not look like packet, but you consider as a packet. Next one, in 100 value, that is 2 packets. So, you draw 2 packets of 100. Next, in 10 ones value, 2 carrots. So, you have to draw 2 carrots. And then in place of 10, how many packets? 5 packets. Next, in 100, how many packets? 5 packets. 5 packets of 100. Now, turn the next page. Lazy Gracie also has a Gracie way of taking money. He takes only in 100 notes, 10 notes and 1 rupee coins. Now find out how they will pay him for what they have taken. See, here also the same place value only. Ones, tens, 100. See. So how many? 400 rupees note. So here you write hundreds, tens and then ones. So 4 hundreds, 2 tens, 0 ones. Here also 100 rupee note, 4 10 rupee note and 3 1 rupee coin. Next 200 rupee note, 4 10 rupee note and 2 1 rupee coin. Next ones, tens only. So 5 1 rupee coin and then 5 10 rupee coin. There is no 100. Who I am match with number. Who I am match with number. I come between 40 and 50 and there is 5 in my name. See, look at here, which is near 5 in that name. See, 45 only is there. And then he said, it is said, I come between 40 and 50. Middle of the 40 and 50 is 45. So here you write, so match that A is 45. And then I have 9 in my name and I am very close to 90. See, I have 9 in my name, which is 9 here, 96 and 89. And I am very close to 90. 89 is very close to 90 or 96, which is 89. So B is this one, 89. And then if you hit 4 after me, you score century. If you hit 4 after me, you score century. See, century means 100. See, if you hit 4 after me, so 4 after me, 96 plus 4, we will get 100. So where is here 96 here? So C option is 96. I am equal to 10 notes of 10. See, 10 note, I am equal to 10 of 10. So 10 tens are how many? 100. 10 tens are 100. So D is 100. And then I am century plus half century. Century means 100. Half century means divided by 2. So half century means 100 divided by 2 means 50. So 100 plus 50, 150. E option is this one. I am exactly between 77 and 97. See, exactly between 77 and 97. The both are ends with 7. So 7 and 9. Middle of the 7 and 9, which number will come? 8. So 87. Now look at the next page. How many are this? See, in that place value we are going to count it. First we want to write the 100th place and then 10th place and then 1's place. Here 1 is nothing, so you put 0. Here 10th place is how many notes is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So here you write 4. How many 100 is there? 1, 2. So totally 240 rupees is there. Now we are going to calculate the sticks. How many loose sticks are? 1 sticks is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So whenever we start from ones, so ones to 100. First we want to write ones. So how many sticks is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 loose stick, that is 1 stick. How many tens is there? Here only 1 tens. So you write 1. How many 100 is there? 1, 2, 3. So totally 319 sticks. So totally how many? 319 sticks. And then here, how many ones is there? In blocks, 2 ones. So here you write 2. How many tens? 1 tens. And then how many hundreds? 2 hundreds. So totally how many blocks? 212 blocks. And then look at the beads. See how many loose beads? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So totally 8 loose beads. How many 10 beads is there? 1, 2, 3. So 3. How many 100 beads is there? Only 1. So totally 138 beads. Again look at the rupees. How many ones is there? There is no 1, so you put 0. How many tens? 2 tens. How many hundreds? 1, 2, 3. So totally 320 rupees. Who I am? There is no biggest number. Take any you can find, add to me, get the next one. To count, keep in mind. See who I am, you have to guess. There is no biggest number. Take any, you can find, add me, you can find, add me to get the next one. To count, keep me in mind. So you have to find out this. Turn the next page. I am Chanda Mama. I have so many friends which twinkle in the sky. Yes, you are right. My friends are stars. One day, all of them came to my home. I started counting to see how many friends had come, but my friends were too many. So to remember their numbers, I did something like this. Hello everybody, he is called Chanda Mama. He invited his friends. Who are the friends? Stars, only his friends. See how he is going to count. Moon Mama count his starry friends. Starry means stars. See, I counted one star and kept one triangle card in my packet. One triangle for one star. If it is two triangle, that is for two star. See now how many triangle is there? That means ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 ones. How many stars is? 5 stars. When I had 10 one cards, I changed it with this 10. See, first he is going to use the ones value. Ones value means that 1, 2, 3, 5. If he reached 10, he used 10's values. See, now it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So he changed this square. That is called 10th card. 10th card. See, but my friends kept coming. So I had to count more stars. My packets were getting full. So when I had 10 cards like this, 10, I changed it with a 100 card. See, 10 tens are 100. If he reached 10 cards, he replaced the 10 cards with 100 card. See 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. He reached 100, he replaced the 100 card. So, it will 10 cards is equal to 100. 10 into 10, 100. But I have so many friends that my packets kept getting full. Just to see how many cards I had. See, just to see how many cards I had. Look at here. Alright, everybody in a line. We will play a game. Now Chanda Mama said, alright, everybody in a line. We will play a game. See, which cards will I have in my packet if I counted up to? Which cards will I have in my packet if I counted up to? He is going to count. See, 19. 9 is 1's value, 1 is 10's value. So 10's value means he will keep the 10's card. That means that yellow card. 9, 1's value is 9. So he kept 9 1 cards. That means 1's card. Next here 0 1's, 2 10's. So draw 2 10 card. How many ones card? Only 1. So draw 1 triangle card. Here also 1's 10's. 5 loose cards. That means 1's. 9 10 cards. Okay, see here 201. 201. Ones, tens, 100. Whenever place value, that is starts from left to right. That starts from right to left. Right to left. So 0, how many ones? 1 ones, there is no tens, 2 hundreds. So 200 means that is oval shape card, that is oval shape, that is in green color. So 2 hundreds, 1 ones. Next ones, tens, 100. How many hundreds? 2 hundreds. How many tens? 6 tens. there is no ones. Don't draw that. Here ones, tens, 100. There is no ones and tens also. Only hundreds. So draw 3 hundreds. Next, ones, tens, 100. 6 ones, 0 tens, 3 hundreds. First, draw 3 hundreds. There is no tens. How many ones? 6 ones. Next, ones, tens, 100. 300. 4 tens. 4 ones. Next, ones, tens, 100. See, 300, 5 tens, 0 ones. 3 hundreds, 5 tens, 0 ones. Next, ones, tens, hundreds. How many? There is no there is no ones and tens, only hundreds. How many hundreds? 4 hundreds. Next, turn the next page. When I had 10 cards in my packet, I knew I had counted 20 stars. Now you tell me the number of stars counted in each case. Write the answer in the blank space. See here 2 tens. So 10 twos are 20. Here how many tens? 2 tens. So 10 into 2, that is equal to 20. How many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 1 is there. So 6 1 is 6. Totally 26. So here you write 26. In another way, see how many is there is any ones? There is no ones. How many tens is there? Only 1 tens. So here you write 1. Now how many hundreds is there? 1, 2, 3. So totally 310. Next, look at here. Now how many ones is there? There is no ones. So you put 0. How many tens? 1, 2, 3. 3 tens. How many hundreds? 100. Here there is no tens and there is no ones and tens. Now how many hundreds is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 400 is there. Here also. How many ones is there? 1, 2, 3 ones. How many tens? There is no tens. Next, we want to count the hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 603. Here how many ones is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many tens is there? Only 1 ten. How many hundreds? 1, 2, 3. 3 hundreds. So 360. Next, see how many ones is there? Only 1 ones. How many tens? 1, 2, 3. 3 tens. How many hundreds? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 431. Here there is no hundreds, there is no ones, tens also. Now look at the hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 hundreds. 10 hundreds, that is equal to 1000. 10 hundreds, that is equal to 1000. Guess. Now Channa Mama said, guess how many starry friends I have in all. See, they are going to make one pattern also. This is a circular pattern. Thank you, students.